Today we solve the first question of exercise 13.2. The question is, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So the first part is 3 square into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8. So here you can see that the base, this one is base 3, okay, and these three numbers, 3 is base. So base is same and power are different. So we use the formula that a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. That means whenever the base is same, then powers will be added. Only powers will be added. So here we use this formula and apply here. That is 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8. Only power will be added. Okay. So now 3 to the power 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 plus 8, that is 14. So answer, we have to write the answer in exponential form. So answer will be 3 to the power 14. Now the next part, that is 16 to the power, 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. So here again the base is same, and whenever we divide this type of numbers, then the only powers are subtracted. That is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Whenever the base is same, then power को हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं. दैट इज a टू द पावर m माइनस n. और आप जितनी बार ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे, आप हर क्वेश्चन में उस फॉर्मूले को लिखोगे जो आपको अप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो हियर 6 टू द पावर 15 माइनस 10. सो आंसर इज 6 टू द पावर 15 minus 10, that is 5. Now the third part, a cube into a square. Here base is same. We apply this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. It means that when base is same, power will be added. So answer is a to the power 3 plus 2, that is a to the power 5. Now next part, 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2. Here base is same, then power will be added. That is 7 to the power x plus 2. Clear? Now the fifth part, 5 square whole power 3 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. So at first we solve this. Whenever you see this type of number, that is a to the power m whole power n, then क्या होता है, जो ये दोनों पावर है, ये भी पावर है और ये भी पावर है, तो ये आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है. दैट इज a टू द पावर m इंटू n. सो एट फर्स्ट वी अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला, दैट इज 5 टू द पावर 2 इंटू 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. So now in next line, 5 to the power 2 into 3, that is 6. So 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. Again base is same. So जब आप डिवाइड करते हो तो पावर क्या हो जाती हैं, सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाती हैं. सो 5 टू द पावर 6 माइनस 3. सो आंसर इज 5 टू द पावर 3. ओके, इससे ज़्यादा सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करना है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू आंसर इन ओनली एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. सो दिस इज द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. नाउ 2 टू द पावर 5 इंटू 5 टू द पावर 5. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन बेस सेम नहीं है, बेस इज नॉट सेम. 2 and 5 both are different, but powers are same. So what formula we use? A to the power m into b to the power m. Base are different and powers are same. So इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? ऑन बेस मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं और पावर एक बार लिखी जाती है. बेस हमने क्या किया, बेस को मल्टीप्लाई किया. सो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 into 5 to the power 5. So 5 into 10, that is 10. 5 into 2, that is 10. 10 to the power 5. This is our answer. Now the next part, a and b, both base are different, powers are same. So a into b power 4. So we can write it as ab to the power 4. Next part, 3 to the power 4 whole power 3. So this is like a to the power m into n. So what is the हम इसे इससे अप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आता है, a टू द पावर m इंटू एन, पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती हैं. सो आंसर इज 3 टू द पावर 4 इंटू 3, दैट इज 3 टू द पावर 12. ओके, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15, then multiply by 2 to the power 3. So at first we solve the bracket, that is 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15. So here base are same and powers are different, so we use the formula, that is a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. When base are same, powers will be added. So this formula, when base are same and जब आपको डिवाइड करना है, देन पावर्स क्या हो जाती है, सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाती हैं. सो 2 to the power 20 minus 15 इंटू 2 to the power 3, हमने इसको सॉल्व कर लिया. सो 2 to the power 20 minus 15, दैट इज 2 to the power 5 इंटू 2 to the power 3. नाउ बेस आर सेम, बेस सेम है, पावर डिफरेंट है, तो वही फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होगा. 2 to the power 5 plus 3, पावर क्या हो जाती है, ऐड. सो इट मीन्स दैट 2 to the power 8. Last part of this question, that is 10th part, 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. So here base are same and process division की है, so power क्या हो जाएंगी, subtract हो जाएंगी. So answer is 8 to the power t minus 2. Okay.